is some of the stuff I've come across as I've been digging out the crawl space here at the Love Shack. There's a lot of ash and the garbage left over from a fire, confirming the story that the original house burned down and they drug the existing Love Shack right over that site. I mean, they literally placed their piers on top of ashes. I mean, it's like 3 inches of ash here. So, pretty crazy. Look at that. Just pretty crazy that it's stood this long. Broke it right in half. That took some heat. Anyway, reinforcing my shores, and I'm gonna have to reset them because they're on top of a few inches of that ash. It's not very strong. I don't like that. So just always more work.